In this problem, we want to solve the following equation by making an appropriate substitution. We have x squared minus 4x quantity squared minus 17 times x squared minus 4x plus 60 equals 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use u substitution, and I'm going to let u equal x squared minus 4x. So now when I write my equation, I have u squared minus 17u plus 60 equals 0. And now I can factor that. And I need two numbers that multiply to make 60 and add to make 17. So that would be 5 and 12. So it's going to be u minus 5 and u minus 12 equals 0. And then we get u equals 5 or u equals 12. Okay, so now I'm ready to find out what x is equal to. So that was my substitution, was that u equals x squared minus 4x, and I'm going to resubstitute. And I'm going to say that u is equal to 5, first of all. So now that means that x squared minus 4x must equal 5. Because u is equal to x squared minus 4x, u is equal to 5, they must be equal to each other. I'll subtract the 5 from both sides. And then I can factor, and let's see, this will be an x minus 5 times x plus 1 equals 0, and I get x equals 5 or x equals negative 1. And I can check those in the original equation. Next, I'm going to say u could equal 12. And follow that same procedure. So if u can equal 12 and u is equal to x squared minus 4x, that means that x squared minus 4x equals 12. And subtracting 12 from both sides gives me x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. And let's try factoring that. And we get, let's see, 2 and 6 would subtract to make 4, and we want this to be a minus 6 and a plus 2. So we get x equals negative 2 or x equals 6. So this gives me my 4 solutions: 5, negative 1, negative 2, and 6. And when I plug those back into the original, they all work. So that's where I get my solution. And that's how you do that problem.